In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Webflow with Stripe. In this tutorial, we'll be connecting Webflow and Stripe through Zapier, which is a powerful automation platform that allows different apps and services to work together without requiring custom coding. Once everything is connected properly, you'll be able to automate actions between your Webflow site and Stripe account, such as handling payment activity or triggering updates whenever a successful transaction takes place. To begin, sign in to your Webflow account and open your dashboard. After the dashboard finishes loading, head over to the Marketplace section. Depending on your screen layout, you may find it within the top navigation area of your dashboard. Once you enter the Marketplace, switch over to the Apps category where integrations and third-party tools are available. At the top of the Apps section, you'll see a search bar. Type in Zapier and wait for the results to appear. Once you find the Zapier app listing, open it and click the Add App button. Webflow may ask you to approve workspace or site permissions during this step. If prompted, simply allow the requested access so Zapier can properly communicate with your Webflow projects and settings. After the installation is complete, you'll notice an option that allows you to connect Webflow with thousands of supported applications. Click that option and it will redirect you to Zapier in a separate browser tab. Once Zapier opens, you'll be presented with the option to create an automation known as a Zap. Inside Zapier, start by creating a new Zap. For the trigger application, select Stripe. If Stripe does not immediately appear in the suggestions, use the search field to locate it manually. After selecting Stripe, you'll need to choose the event that will activate your automation. Common examples include a completed checkout session or a successful payment. Select the event that best matches the type of workflow you want to automate. Next, you'll connect your Stripe account to Zapier. In the Connection field, choose Stripe and click Connect Stripe. A secure authorization window will appear, allowing you to sign in to your Stripe account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, select the correct Stripe account if you manage more than one, and approve the requested permissions. When Zapier asks you to continue to Stripe, confirm the request to complete the connection. Once the authorization process is finished, you'll return to Zapier with Stripe successfully linked to your automation setup. Since the Webflow app was installed earlier, Zapier can now route Stripe payment activity into Webflow actions automatically. Before finishing, it's a good idea to use Stripe's test mode while setting up your automation to verify that everything works correctly. Also, make sure pop-ups are enabled during authorization and confirm that your account permissions are properly configured. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.